Portland renters. Today we're at 18512 Northwest Red Wing Way, apartment 202. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, located in Beaverton, Oregon. Let's head on in. So when we first walk up the stairs, we have a coat closet here. This is the first level of the home with a half bath here. It's very open, a lot of natural lighting. The kitchen has a lot of cabinet space. Also a refrigerator with an ice maker, gas stove. What's really great about this location of this unit is that it's very close to the bus stop. It's actually right downstairs. It's your kitchen. And then you have a gas fireplace with a built-in bookshelf. It's very open, which is awesome. And then as we head into the patio area, you can see that the bus stop is right there. All the bedrooms in this unit are located upstairs. So let's head on up. We have our washer dryer room with cabinet space up above. We have our first bedroom here, closet to the right. Really nice, decent sized bedroom. We have our first full bath to the right here. And second bedroom here. This one is a little bit bigger. Still plenty of space. You can see. And then we have our master bedroom. The view of outside. Great size for the master bedroom. And then we have bathroom here. This home is still in the process of being professionally cleaned. There. And shower. So we'll head back downstairs. So there's plenty of space here. It's really nice that all the bedrooms are upstairs and your common areas are on the first level. Really great neighborhood, close to the bus as well. This is a view of how big the living area is and kitchen. Alrighty, and that is 18512 Northwest Red Wing Way here in Beaverton, Oregon.